So we've been going over digital citizenship with our students for the last several weeks, and this most recent week we talked about copyright and fair use. And so I thought I'd take this chance to show you a few tools that you can use and that you can also show to your students to use, so that we can make sure we're using images that we're allowed to use and are copyright free and therefore not infringing on somebody's copyrights. So if you're going to do a Google search, for example, you wanted to search for dogs, you're going to do a report on dogs, and you can do images. You need a picture. Many of you are probably aware of this, but there's this button here. It says Tools, and then once you click on that, another row, another toolbar opens up, and there's usage rights, and you can filter it by usage rights. A few different options you have. But basically, anything that comes through here is labeled for reuse. And so you have the freedom to use those. And so you find a picture you want, and you then copy and paste it into your report, and that is, and you're following proper guidelines and being a good digital citizen. So that's one way. Another way to do this is, let's say that you're in a Google document. And so once again, you're doing that report on dogs, and you want to insert an image. And so you click on over here on insert image, and search the web. And you notice it doesn't go somewhere else. It's still a Google search that you're going to do, but it's within the document. And everything you search here within that document is already going to be a image that you can use. They're all copyright free. And so you click on the image, and you then click insert, and there it is. Now, there's another step. That's one way to do it, but there's actually a different way that I prefer to do it, because it gives you an additional, it helps you to attribute and show where you got these images. And there's this button right here, and it says Explore. You click on the Explore button, and once again, you're going to explore. It's opening up the web, basically. You click, and let's say you want an image of dogs again. You click on, you say dogs. You click on images. Once again, all the same images you just saw, but now when I click on it, and I click Insert, and you can resize it however you need, however the size you want. But notice, when I do it through the Explore feature, it gives me the website, and so you're showing where you got your work. And so those are a couple tools that are really helpful, and can be good to show our students. And so I would suggest you do those. Those are a couple things. Then finally, there is another place that you can do searches, and it's called Pixabay. And Pixabay has free images as well. And so all the images that you search for, and they're really good quality images. Of course, there's fewer available than just a general Google search, but everything in here you have access to and are free to use. And so it's called Pixabay. At least that's how I think it's pronounced. So just a few things you can do to help your students be good digital citizens and follow copyright law. Thank you for your time.